Welcome to the craft cocktail. I'm Derek. That's Jalitha. What you were supposed to? Am I supposed to let you say your name?
No, you said Dan's name,
Okay,
so that's fine. Yes, I'm Jalitha.
She's still.
Hey.
I can't even say it. We're making the Clover Club.
Awesome.
You like this drink?
I do.
Because it has raspberry syrup.
I love raspberries.
It's got garnishes that you can eat later too.
Yes, I
Dessert.
enjoy
Don't
raspberries.
have them yet.
I won't.
Okay. So this drink's gonna be 1.5 ounces of London Dry gin. I chose Beefeater. Is that fine?
Yes, that's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. That works for me.
Okay.
Because you have all sorts of other stuff mixed in there.
I do. 1/2 ounce of the following ingredients: lemon, raspberry syrup, and egg white. You can make a raspberry syrup if you wish to. You can basically make a simple syrup, a 1-to-1 sugar to, what's the other thing? Water. And then you add in like a handful of raspberries and then let them boil and they kind of break down into a pulpiness, stir it around until it's just all nice and awesome inside there like a syrup. Then you can strain out all the pulpiness, the seeds and all the other parts of the raspberry. Or you can go to awesomedrinks.com and just get raspberry simple syrup.
Sounds delicious.
I'm super lazy, and the problem I had with real raspberries, and Jennifer had this drink when we made it for the photo that you see in the ebook on homecocktailmenu.com, is that that syrup is much more consistent. Like it always tastes the same. Where when you buy raspberries, if they're not in really good season,
then they're sour.
The Clover Club ends up being more sour or earthy, kind of like a mineral flavor to it.
I could see that.
And it's not always as good.
So this is consistent.
It's having a nice consistent flavor makes just for a better drink.
I like that. I like consistency.
Yeah, I do too.
Nothing wrong with that.
A little egg white is going to give it that a nice foamy little head that sits on top, and this drink's going to come out kind of a pink color. So it's just going to be awesome.
So I'm going to let you shake.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Where's the other side of the shaker? Oh, it's over there.
That is not my expertise.
Did you get the lime in there?
Did I? Yeah. I think so. Yes, I did. I did. I got it. Have faith.
I have faith.
It needs to be cold though, right? So ice needs to be in it. No.
Not yet.
After.
Okay.
So this is a dry shake.
All
This is where we're gonna we're gonna shake it nice aggressively for like 15 seconds. Gotta get your
You
sex
just
up.
spilled. That is not professional. That is not professional.
No, this is a problem with egg white drinks. Is sometimes the cap comes up. Where's the ice?
Spilled a lot of that.
It's not my bar.
That's kind of a sin.
Unless I make a
Just
mess.
so you know, it's kind of a sin.
Yep. But the mess happens. Last time I spilled an entire 5 or 6 ounce cocktail.
No,
more.
a pitcher.
A
like
pitcher
a
under the floor.
Yes.
I've done a lot worse. Is what I'm saying. I'm just minimalizing the problem.
It's alright. Let's get it going. I'm ready.
There might not be as much drink in here.
Will it fill the glass?
I don't know. It should.
Okay.
Whether it will
That's
now.
what's important.
Well, no, it would have. I don't know how much is on the floor.
You brought the fun out.
Do I have a strainer?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Let's see how much we lost. Oh, nothing.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's because I'm awesome at measuring. That is my talent.
That's it? So you should be on it.
Oh, it is a little bit pink.
America's Got Talent. What's your talent? Measuring. Not really something enjoyable or fun.
Ready?
Yeah, you drink that. I'm going to wash my hands.
Oh, that's really good.
A little egg white.
It's very light.
Light, refreshing,
Yes.
and raspberry.
Very raspberry. I like that.
Very berry?
Raspberries are my favorite.
And I like the garnish.
Here we got lipstick all over the cup.
I'll be nice.
Ready?
And not lick it.
There we go. Oh,
Nice job.
it keeps falling in.
And that's because it looks better that way. Depending on the type of raspberry syrup you use,
I'm
you
gonna
get.
check your garnish. Ooh.
Nope, you missed.
Oh,
you
one
missed.
fell in.
Oh, look at it. It's got
Ready?
like it looks like
It's
yogurt.
coated.
It's a yogurt. It's all infused with raspberry.
It's pretty good.
It is. The egg white really keeps it subtle. It's a little sweet, not nearly as sour as some of the other drinks.
I enjoy this very much.
It's like a dessert drink.
But yeah, but it's not heavy and it's not really sweet. It's really refreshing.
It kind of straddles the line. It's like a good balance.
Summertime, by the pool, relaxing. This would be delicious.
Yeah. getting raspberries in the spring is tough because they tend to be a little bit too bitter.
They do.
Yeah. You gotta wait a little bit for them to
Well, they're
kind of red up.
Summery berry.
Yeah. Or late summer sometimes around here because in New England it's
It's been freezing.
Yeah, it's not always the same around here.
No.
This drink is documented the first time in 1917, so it's an older drink named after the Philadelphia's men's club. It's called the Clover Club. If you want to know all the best history about this drink and 14 other gin-based cocktails, you can check out homecocktailmenu.com, where you can download the Easy Gin recipe book.
It's interesting that it's a raspberry pink drink and it's named after a men's club.
It is interesting. Turns out we like pink things too.
I know you do.
I know! Check the ebook down below. That is how we suggest you make the Clover Club.
Yep, it's almost gone. It's delicious. I like it. All right, ready?
I'm always ready. Here we go.
Get it!